G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So, Jack.
Yes.
A day of mixed emotions. What's happening?
It's going.
It's going.
The very first FJ.
The very first FJ. This is the 40 that kicked off the 40 channel. Jack has been part of this from the very beginning. You guys have seen Jack grow up on this build, and you have grown pretty tall, buddy.
Hello, Jack.
Yeah.
So,
Trying to get this tint off. Dad, need your help.
got it done.
Yes.
Jack and I have put the body back on.
Got something on my face YouTube channel?
Woohoo! Good job, Jack. You're the first person to start it. So this is going to an absolute lovely couple. I've been talking to this guy so much over the phone, and we've had a lot of conversation, and you know, I just feel this guy's the right guy, and look, I couldn't be happier that it's going to these guys. So how do you feel about it going, Jack?
Bit of mixed emotions. Basically put my heart and soul into it, but got to do what we got to do to continue this YouTube channel.
That's it, but we've got a couple really exciting projects to keep the channel going. We've obviously got Jack's, which has been happening a lot in the background, not much filming, but he's been cracking along at that. We need to get a bit more footage of what you're doing and where you're up to.
Yeah.
We're going to get back onto the 1965 fire truck. We need to hook into that one, really get that cracking. But there's a very special FJ40 that we've got that we won't say too much about now, but that is probably the real driver for needing to sell this so that we can move on to this next very special project, and I'm pretty excited about it.
Yes.
So anyway, let's leave it at that and give it a hug, Jack. And we'll say goodbye to the old girl. Now, something really cool I'm going to give to the buyer is this, a 40 channel coaster. Now this is really cool because not only is it CNC'd, on the back of it it says 40 channel build 001, paint 416, 1977 FJ40 upgrades, 1983 2H, power steering, front disc brakes, rear brake, rear handbrake, sunroof. It's got the VIN number, the engine number of the 2H on there, and on top of that, where it says 40 channel, we've actually painted that the exact same paint that the car is painted in. So hopefully the buyer will appreciate this, and hopefully this will stay with this car forever. Hopefully. That's the idea of it anyway. So we're trying to do. Alright, so here we are. This is my final day seeing the old FJ40 go, but I'm really excited. I've got to meet Matt and his lovely wife Shelley, and mate, I hope that you get to enjoy this as much as I have, and mate, I'm keen to see what happens with it in the end. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I wish you all the best. And these guys are going to take this out of state, up to Queensland, so it's going to go for a bit of a drive. I'm shedding a tear. I might have to run after and fall down, and but mate, enjoy it and all the best with it.
Thank you.
So good on you, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Thank you.
Say goodbye.
Cool. See ya. Oh, that's it. It's mixed emotions. I get to see this drive away.
See ya!
Mixed emotions seeing it drive away into someone else's hands. There it goes down the road.
All that hard sweat and tears.
Oh, Phil wants to bring it back. gone now,
Bye.
Phil. It's gone. Righto, well that's pretty much it. We'll say goodbye to it and move on to the next project.
Sounds good.
More exciting stuff. Thanks so much for your support. You guys have been there from the very beginning. You've watched this entire build, get to the point it is today. You've seen us go through all sorts of stuff, and this car has been an awesome build and an awesome experience for the entire family, hasn't it, Jack?
Yes, it has. I'm gonna miss it.
I'll wipe away your tears.